In this video, I'll show you how you can type with a big text on your Discord account. Now, first of all, you want to find a chat room where you can chat, and I have my own server right here. Then what I want to do is head down to the chat and type this. Now there's 3 different sizes, 1, 2, and 3. So for the smallest one, I'm gonna type 3 hashtags, press space, and type my message. Send, and it will be like this. This is how it will look normally. As you can see, there's a little bit of difference. Now if I make 2 hashtags and I type hey, you can see it will be even bigger. And if I type 1 hashtag and hey, remember to put space and enter, this will be even bigger. As you can see, this is how it looks. So if we just delete this one, you can see the different sizes next to each other. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.